Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Innovations Unlocked, the podcast where we deep dive into the latest and greatest in tech and innovation. I'm your host, Tim Eastridge, founder of Eastridge Analytics, a data science consulting company based in Charlotte, North Carolina. At Eastridge Analytics, we create innovation landscapes and patent portfolio strategies for our clients. Today, we're exploring the world of smart vanity mirrors, especially those equipped with Bluetooth, adjustable mechanisms, and built-in lighting. So in today's episode, expect to see examples of patent landscaping and patent ideation. Thanks, and let's jump in. Okay, first, let's take a look at the patent landscapes in large groups. So each one of these squares represents a different patent published at a different time, and we can see that they're color coordinated by the group. So not only does this tool show how similar patents are based off of their semantic text, but it also shows an LLM uh, summary of the patent in plain English. So this is a patent called Smart Vanity Mirror Speaker System. And the LLM summary is simply a smart vanity mirror speaker system designed with innovative features. And we can see all of the text here related to that large patent. So there's 3D images and audio inputs. There's a lot of information in this patent. We can see the assignee here is Forever Gifts Incorporated. Now, if we want to zoom into a specific aspect of the landscape, we can click on one of these categories here, and that's going to zoom into this yellow cluster. So let's click it again, and we can see just a quick, high-level understanding of what this patent is about. So the patent summary for this one, for example, the patent introduces a vehicle rear view mirror system with an electromatic transflective reflective element. Okay, a lot of words there, but it looks like this cluster here is all about vehicle communication technologies with mirrors. So that's pretty interesting because our search phrase again was vanity mirrors using Bluetooth and some of the new technology that we see today. So with that search phrase, we're seeing automotive, inventions, which makes sense because there's a lot of money in creating new innovations in the vehicle landscape. These two are also related to vehicles. Let's see, smart mirror and digital imaging technology cluster is another one. So let's zoom into that one. We can see here a patent for an electronic device with sensors and mirror display that adjusts content based off of user preference and light conditions, enhancing the user experience and interaction with displayed content. Okay, interesting. We can, of course, click on that patent and see the full patent text here. We can also search this in Google Patents. So let's go ahead and do that just to show an example here. Okay, so let's jump over. So we can see here, this is electronic device and controlling method of an electronic device. Jump over here to the internet and we can see electronic device, controlling method of electronic device, Samsung Electronics. It's a mirror display based off the first sensor, sensing the user in front of the mirror display and obtaining information about a first area in which a first image corresponding to a reflection of the user is located on the mirror display. Okay, interesting. So of course we can go here and see more information about that patent if we want to, including images associated with that patent. All right. Okay, and earlier I mentioned that we can also see similarity search based off of our search criteria. So our search criteria was Bluetooth, vanity, mirror, speaker system. So the heat map here of the landscape, it's the same image that we saw before with this larger landscape. So here's the landscape from before, and then here is the same landscape, just with different coloring. So this coloring represents how similar the patent is to our initial search phrase. So we can see here a smart vanity mirror speaker system is the closest match to our search phrase. And that one shows up right here. It's the darker blue item. And we can see more information about that patent text, of course. And we can see that the two most similar patents to our search phrase are both filed by Forever Gifts Incorporated. Okay, so let's take an example here of the smart makeup mirror device having a display with AI voice assistant. We're going to scroll over here. The company name for this patent is Icon AI Incorporated. So I jump over here and I search them on Google, and I can find some of their Amazon Alexa products here related to, a smart mirror for the bathroom. And let's pretend that we are this company and we want to further defend our patent portfolio in this complicated and diverse patent landscape. So I'm going to take this patent ID and I'm going to search it against our proprietary Eastridge Analytics patent database. It contains all US patents and enriches those patents with artificial intelligence. So I'm going to jump back over to our website here, drop in that patent ID, click submit. And when I click submit here, it's going to return the closest patents in semantic similarity to the patent that we're interested in. So we can see at the top here the smart makeup mirror device, which is the patent that we searched for. So its distance or semantic similarity is 0 because it is the exact patent. And then the next closest patent here is this smart vanity mirror speaker system. Now, what we want to do with this app is actually create a new idea that is different than all the other patents that are similar to this patent, um, and can fill up what we call white space in this patent landscape. So if I jump back over here, within this patent landscape, there are white spaces, right? There's gaps between existing patents. And so what we want this tool to do is use artificial intelligence to generate new ideas that fill that white space and come up with new novel ideas that can be patented. So what we're going to do is we're going to take those examples here and then click Generate Provisional Patents. And this is going to go out and look at all of those similar patents and generate new ideas that are different than what is already available on the market. Okay, now those patents have been generated. These are provisional patent ideas, right? So it comes up with 3 new ideas each time we click this button, and we can see more information about the new idea here. So this first one, it says it's a smart mirror system comprising of a two-way mirror, a display device, sensors, a camera, and processors. The system continuously displays a real-time video feed for the user, detects the user's face, displays an illuminated area aligning with the user's face, and updates the display based off of the user's movements. It can also identify objects within its field of view and modify the display accordingly. Now, we also include a feature at the bottom that says what's unique about this patent, right? Sounds good, sounds interesting, but how do I know that it's unique or different? So what's different or unique about this idea is it integrates sensors and cameras for interactive user experience. There's a real-time display, and there's identification of objects for personalized display modifications. The next idea, smart makeup mirror device with artificial intelligence voice assistant. Some of the unique features to this one are smart makeup mirror device with mood lighting, gesture control, and AI voice assistant, offering a comprehensive and innovative beauty and technology solution for users. So down here at the bottom, it's a modified landscape from what we saw before, where it shows all those existing patent IDs and then these newly generated UUIDs up here. So these red dots represent the new ideas and the difference between these new ideas compared to previous ideas. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Innovations Unlocked. I hope you found this exploration of smart vanity mirrors as fascinating as I did. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review. Until next time, keep on innovating.